Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll see how to use the scale command in Autocad software. So I'll open software. I'll be using the Autocad 2020 version. If you're using some other version, that's okay. There are no major changes in any of the versions. And I'll click on start drawing from here to open a new drawing area. So the scale command is available in the modify panel over here, this one. So using the scale command, you can increase or decrease the size of an existing object. So let us try the scale command. But before that, just make sure you have the dynamic input option turned on. So if it is off, just turn it on. So if the dynamic input option is on, you don't have to keep looking at the command line for the suggestions. So let us try the scale command now. So I'll draw a circle as we don't have any object. And I will enter 2 unit as the radius. So this is a circle of 2 unit radius. So I'll come to the scale command. I click on it. Now it is asking select objects. So I'll select the circle. Now press the enter key. Now it is asking specify base point. So always select the center point if you want to increase or decrease the size of an existing object symmetrically. So I'll select the center point. I click there. Now it is asking specify scale factor. So here you can enter any value. So for example, if you enter 2, the original object will become 2 times bigger. If you enter 3, the original object will become 3 times bigger. And if you enter 0.5, the original object will become half of the original size. So I'll go with 2 now. Press the enter key. So now let us check the diameter or radius. So as you can see, it is 8 now. So half of the diameter is radius. So it is of 4 unit radius now. Previously it was 2 unit radius. So let us try the scale command again. So I draw a circle. So I'll enter 2 unit as the radius. Now let us apply the scale command. So select the object, press the enter key. Now it is asking specify base point. So select the center point, and now it is asking specify scale factor. So let us go with 0.5 this time. So it should become half of the original size. So press the enter key now. Let us check the dimension. So it is of 2 unit diameter. So it means 1 unit radius. So this is how you use the scale command to increase or decrease the size of an existing object. So got it right. So if you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.